too much, too much, too much. It's never enough. It's too much, too much, too much. It's never enough. Alright, let's do this Enumclaw, I guess you said, or Enumclaw, I don't know. It's called Fast and All. Got a capo on the 2nd fret. I watched them play this. Got 2 guitars in the band. So the first chord is an A, but they're playing A sus, so he's just gonna play strings D and G. Then we go to a C major 7, and that's like a C except no index finger, and just a G. C, and then I go back to the A, but I play a full A, and then go to the A sus. So that gives it a little movement, because there's only the same chord progression the whole song. But I did notice when the guitar is playing the solo, he's kind of going like, alright, this is like an A, except we're just playing it on E and A strings, and maybe like D and G is okay. And then we go, so that's 5 steps above the capo. We go 8 steps above. That's our C. And then we go back to the 2nd fret for our G. He just plays it that way during the guitar solos. During that part. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that cool song.